sabi say wetin I be that man wey I like una plenty. When una tore man no dey, we no fit leave una so. We will begin dey check sense for gather small tori for corner side dem inside Douala, for all 10 region dem inside Cameroon, for say wetin make we knack tori with the country people dem. And that's so I could sit down for tori maniche for some small time. And our say will be like parliament them. But the man and woman them so that tori could go for before with the two salute for winner. We will dey for any side for inside Cameroon, one the way they dey for Europe, one them for America. We sabi say we get strong people them for America, except so one the way I've done the talk with them. Now so before I want start tori where they be say wetin I want the tori them say this so now me I get to tori today. Them send me plenty congratulate to una sabi say wetin man love plenty and man again for do something for sure say he love plenty. Strong tori today we will tell una, but before we enter inside strong tori, as how tradition dey ever dey for inside tori house for Equinox for Douala, we dey tell una wetin we dey call am say wetin tori for corner side, because say wetin thing dem don dey happen wey we never gree take all the picture dem and the images dem now for show una inside tori today. And na inside Munya, una wey una sabi Munya dey honor for Boya subdivision for Fako inside southwest where Kito people them black cap, red cap, they enter inside Munya for Baden. They arrest plenty people them, they carry them, they go put them for back counter for that side for Boya. Reason why they carry them, uno sabi, they una know say wetin Munya how they never call am. Now one strong place for inside Boya where they hot plenty for Sikadi Palava inside northwest and southwest. When I sabi say Tambwe ambassador ECSF be dey on top this side way, he don't come out talk say wetin, he don't run, he don't come out go before Kapowa the knack tori. When I sabi say wetin, if the knack tori with in a way sometime them boy they be come out inside Munya, they walk out with the big gun them, they burn motor, they attack even a petrol station they inside Munya. As how way as security people they talk say wetin, they must know who be who inside Munya. That's how they hold people self ID, self without ID. Now so tori they enter we say they be carry people they go. Message people them 2 for night they enter inside some magazine inside Douala seaport. Them carry kako for that magazine go. Now that kako no not be that kako. Now people them for transfer kako or they transfer kako them for some people them inside that place for Douala here. We sabi to say wetin Douala people them where they dey for that side for 10 minutes. They be don dey cry because it's some big fine house where they be call am say hotel. Na fire wey e catch on side weekend e burn sute people dey want even dey calm fire dey start dey burn na on top for climb on top say make dem lost fire better e no be before say they wan check sense or know how they fit lost that fire e don burn plenty thing dem pass. Na so inside tori today country people how we don leave tori for corner side because other plenty thing dey but una sabi say wetin time too no dey plenty and capo get plenty other thing dem for do inside tori house today. Sabi say for comot for here na for other thing dem inside different country talk wey man go dance so begin the knack tori for say make una sabi thing wey dey happen inside country inside Africa and for the world. That's so inside tori we go begin dey tell una another thing wey una don surely hear say e dey so e be dey inside Kumba. Sabi say Kumba na gone e be comot for weekend and the chakara places there for Kumba. We go take una to go for Palava for road there inside Douala talk other tori dem wey e don dey happen as far as school concern inside northwest southwest and think the way e don dey happen for political scene how wey political people dey talk say Palava northwest and southwest e get today waka una she don find. Yes, country people, make una she don find. Una wey una don dey job put una tele na una wey una dey enter inside Facebook na for begin dey follow tori. Sabi say wetin for on the start, I be tell una say wetin una tori man e don comot. Na so we don dey look am time for tori don dey reach. E never dey for corner. I say wetin country people they no fit she don so wey they never know thing wey dey happen inside country. Make can she don for his moche knack tori. Even how we had so make we knack tori. We go start how we never do am. How we never do am for here. We go start now wetin wey they call am say wetin big people that talk. Big people that talk today na say wetin say man not dey ever be born as head boy. Man they can be head boy on top people them na time wey people they don't sleep they lock sense. I talk am for some other way una go fine. Them not man not the way they don't born ye as head boy. Men them they can be our head boy there or man they can be our head boy na time we don't sleep we lock sense. Sabi say wetin that one don enter una koro head fine una begin the check sense for day. Na time when man lock sense, where people they can be their head boy, they come, they do thing them. Being that leader them, begin they give them thing. That means say what if you know the sleep, if you know the lock sense, not many different man could can be your head boy. That's also you could be your head boy. Even that so head boy for people that way they like nang plenty. What they like for the lock sense plenty. We enter inside Tory country people as we couple don dey see Tory wey e don dey happen inside country. We go take una first go na for Kumba. Wetin dey happen for Kumba? For the number 1 na Kumba Gendarmerie post. That mean say wetin for inside Kumba 2 subdivision. Sabi say wetin Kumba na big headquarter for Meme division inside Southwest inside Cameroon. And na only for Saturday where we hear say wetin one man wey na our eye for Kumba. He talks say wetin boy dey comot sawo una dey see am so na Gendarmerie post. That means say wetin Kitu red cap and green clothes people them inside Kumba sawo una see am so na the houses una wey una sabi for Kusala for Kumba play wey we dey call am say Gendarmerie post. E be dey fine until Saturday morning wey boy dey comot for bush whether na which side bush for Kumba we no sabi but dem enter for the one. They open fire. People the way they give with the Tory inside Kumba, our eye and our ear for that side. In the tell we say wetin they use na big weapon them. They eat talk that thing say wetin rocket launcher, capo sabi weapon. You know wetin be wetin. And they just use na talk way them talk for that side for Kumba. That means say wetin them not gone for here. Hala people they take na Tokyo. They enter na inside Sisongo. And people them where them enter for day na so they don't destroy una they see the ropes them scatter the office where Kitu big people them they never she down and how they never look out matter for Tory myself so you know only end for that side for Kumba Gendarmerie they even enter some bar people the way they be in our eye for that side they talk say wetin the one so na bar and store for some power they call you say wetin na per shallow for that side for Kumba. Myself say that same people them they come out to enter for day na chakara be this mimbo you want see am biscuit you want see am na bread you want see am all thing na for down. It can be like say na water before enter for that papa is shop for side for Kusala for Kumba wey na only mimbo wey na bitter one mimbo wey na sweet one all be there na for down sell bread all thing for that shop. If you suffer that day all thing chakara even eggs wey if they be ask say make they give man before that thing dem no for give man but now so e dey na only for ground when I see so when I think say na blood not be blood because we know they show blood na different kind mimbo dem una never drink the one wey is sweet so una sabi how wey or the color it dey used to be na the boy dem that wey dey comot for Gendarmerie dey enter for this side as how wey Tory enter our ear for inside Kumba. E be na this Saturday wey we comot enter Sunday before we dey enter the today so for inside Kumba. That one na for just say wetin better no the day for inside northwest and southwest even when we think say e dey so e don better. It is that so again some kind thing they see happen where they make people they fear because say from time them Kusala all man be take Tokyo people they want start again they do business for that side say they so you don't they better na how self the kind thing it be so that man could do na how we no sabi we sabi say wetin only a cry to be there for some side where they call them say Newtown Aeroport 2 people them they cry wetin na because say wetin them broke them house. The ones who na boy the way they talk say wetin na them be auto-tone them for the LOB. That means say which LOB na Newtown Aeroport LOB them come out them born tired they say that Tory way we don't yarn say they so they don't yarn say they go come book we man no go enter for here. Myself say time wey mami water come with hot water una sabi say the kind water so they was crash the ginger and pepper save that one for Penja so you know the hot rich that one. The boy they take na Tokyo they enter inside Carrefour them inside quarter Kitu black cap una see even Kitu green motor that means say gendarme and police them they enter for the boy the way they be even come out say man no go enter for here now we get the LOB the one lost na loss people they enter the broke all house them for that side Newtown Aeroport mami talk say wetin die na die better and no fit take plenty here then work maximum money do maximum thing for Douala be as una come broke am I could stand na which time the part talk say wetin age e don pass e don be e work in small time wey we get age le capo he work in money big house now he dey stay for there like 27 years with him family dey cap broke am for the age he could do her people dey talk say na the book wey give them authorize for broke that thing that book dey talk say wetin na Menat he sign na Menat na who Ministry of Territorial Administration as how we dey for French who be head boy Atanganji for sika wetin say they wan say make Douala International Airport may look like they want them for different country one way when you don drop for airport for Douala you don drop airport e dey look fine before you want enter inside main town Douala, you see where house is, you see some kind house them for corner airport road, so you know they find the more broke the people them. Now big man, so he come up begin the talk, so how when I be see even Equinox, he be there for day with the microphone, they hear talk with the man, they talk so. Myself say at the end of the day too, even boy the way they become broke that thing. So when they enter Tokyo, so they come arrest them, they go with some plenty other boys them for Newtown Aeroport. But people them for this side they talk say with them not the only they say they don't broke their house, but they talk say gum now don't they now for wrong side for law. Why they talk, them say with they get book for this side where they not the big house, not they say they can't be house anyhow. They don't ask book where they will give man authorized for put house, for put small store for side for put them. Why it be say that they give them book, them put house after them can't book their house. Now man that way it talk say he get book, say probably sign them, I just sign book where he get them.
Government go back to the people. It's not the government try to see. We are the population can stay in Newtown Aeroport. We get our thing, we get our document. The president Biya-San and the president Ahidjo San and the ADC San. We get all these documents here to say this place and get this place. This place not for the government and not for ADC.
Je me suis battu ma petite cabane.
Yes, na them that una don hear Capo no go talk plenty. Time not there for Capo. Make we come out the go now for before. He self talk say with him. Amadou Ahidjo wey na big president, our first president inside Cameroon. He sign book where them get time for give the authorized for the self Pobia wey na president wey dey now on top chair for inside country. He sign book. He not show with the book, but na so he talk. If na lie, na he lie. Not be we lie. Now so we go begin to talk na different thing. Palava for juju. Una sitting where the papa the whole am so. Na una fit call am say wetin na juju. So one fit talk say na medicine. All kind name dey for call the one. So one dey talk say wetin na gree. Yes. Na so other people dey talk am. Usa gree come out. Oh, they can put up. I say wetin na inside some village for outside for Donga Mato. Then they call that village say Binjen. That mean say wetin the people them for there they talk say wetin. But belly people them or for inside, whether not for inside village or for outside village, they don't come to put medicine for intern for go for inside the palace. It won't be so God, you don't move that people them their draws now off or outside. You won't move them for outside for say wetin, it don't make them they see the medicine. The medicine where they dig for this, so they even write for into the paper and name the that for some people them for inside village where they been a chong people them too for inside village as well as other one them. They write their name, put them for the paper, tie them with some kind thing them, put them for instance, so inside big place, how they talk and say in a strategic place for the village, they tie them for there, they cover. Myself say wetin, they say God be there with them, rain one for it, can move them for outside, they won't come, they see other thing them gather all man for the village, they talk say wetin, the kind thing never ever happen. Now who do am? Man no they talk say na he do am, they do thing for contribution, pastor they on side, they come pray, they talk say wetin. Now only by luck and curse could they follow the people them, but they kind all kind thing they will be there. They different can leave them. How would they see them so where they be time inside that thing, that gree where they put them inside that village. Now who put them? Now question that way plenty people them where they ask them. People the way they don't write their name, they don't talk say wetin, their name for that list, they go take them. Enter for that side for Dio where it then for because they talk the village it then for that side for under Kame Center subdivision. They say with them go see Dio for the Kame Center subdivision, go see company commander, go see big police commissioner and other big traditional people them so for say with make them check sense or no say wetin if they don't write their name so write some kind thing even the money whether they write and say make they kidnap the people make they check security sense or see say wetin the life for the people they not there for danger and the life for village too make it not there for danger. As how way at the talk we don't try for ask some big person too for the village where he said because the thing not be now only people them where they dey for inside palace maybe concern pastor them and some man where we say we don't hear say wetin a pastor for the side. He try for explain thing way they be don't happen. No when I hear you fine, he know thing will be happen.
Around 6 o'clock, and then some people then they be there around the junction where they lead to the palace. And then they don't discover how the thing they be dig for ground and then they open air. Yes. And then they don't take them. And then as they bring them, me I understand the thing. because I think we will pray with them. We don't pray for this thing long ago since we don't do the celebration of the phone.
Yes.
And then we dey pray say at least if we pray I say make they crown the phone. And then as you don't bring the thing, and we talk with some power where they call power give birth.
Yes.
And then you know what delay, and then all the thing God approve am. And then all the thing I know say na God he don't do am, because na thing we dey pray every month. I ever take my prayer team and then we dey walk all around the village and then we dey pray. And one my prayer point we dey pray say if na say God, some man he don't plan something for inside the ground of building, make God give me. We see that the thing na for the junction where they go for Palace, and then someone where they go from Campbell, and then someone where they go for outside. We don't move some it be like a zim where it don't be O. Then we get for here the one that's on grass where the grass it be like say they represent say you don't change and then something.
Yes.
Where it be like say that thing you know fit work.
Yes.
And I discover say the one we ever use this thing for nail cable.
Yeah.
And the one it represents say at least it be the thing where it don't change say at least made the crowning of the phone may it not take place.
Yeah.
And for me as I understand the one so na that oozing.
Yeah.
Where it represents say at least development and it no could take place for inside the land again.
Yeah.
And the one now some leaf and the leaf they don't believe for culture say the one that which people they ever use the one for tie even woman flesh. That means say the thing not be physical thing.
Yeah.
The one na spiritual thing.
Yeah.
And the one therefore I get some name them for the paper I be around 5. And then the first name for the it be one of my Christian he called Aman Gibet.
Yeah.
And then another one it be Tangenfo. And then the third one it be Kimbi Amon where I believe say in a form for Bishop.
Oh.
Yes.
And then another one it be Simon Samba.
Now who be the bad belly people where they don't come put the medicine? Now question that way big traditional people them for that side they be the ask them or the chief them or the title holder them come out, even the pastor them they come out for that side he ask mommy papa picking them say now you get hand for that medicine or man they deny myself so they talk say with it or when I want deny they go put the thing for Palace as how we go see am now so how they put the thing for Palace any man they can put the hand on top they talk say with it my hand clean for the palava my wafo if you see how the country people them population any man they can put the hand on top they talk say with it my hand clean for the palava any man they can put the hand they talk say my hand clean for the palava any man they can put them yes and how they don't got put them for inside our village they do some kind of thing them all around the cocoa people them population any man they can put the on hand for day talk it thing say with it if nothing where na me and no hand for the thing but luck follow me if I no hand for the thing but luck follow me if I no hand for the thing but luck follow me mommy papa picking them or they can put their hand and after they don't put their hand they talk say with it they could take stone they talk some kind thing them the imam whether they want in mina say with it we don't also get spiritual explanation for that pastor we don't talk am now for the whole this way the thing it be happen and after they don't come move am so time for mommy they don't come put their hand now na time for papa them they don't come put their hand after they continue how they do am so they go talk say wetin after they don finish with the traditional part even the spiritual part as how the pastor dey be dey talk they go comot to go see the administrator dem see the legal officials and even the security officials dem for that side for say wetin make they check sense because say the kind thing e no be don happen e no dey happen so for nothing some big thing must dey for back. Now so me we comot for that side talk na palava people dem for Nkonjok sabi say road for Nkonjok na helele una see road Nkonjok na big subdivision sef inside that side for Kam division for Littoral region but for comot Nkonjok inside Bafang wey na big town for inside Upper Kam division for West region for Cameroon na trouble for Sukaweti road wey be already bad people dey wey dey even go work farm for Nkonjok take food go for Bafang carry plantains can sell am for Douala carry am go sell am for Mungo they be don dey complain say the road bad make they fix am If they let's say people the way they get for talk say make they fix road, they know the year, it is so they leave am, they not do something, the road, it also can cut in a cut now. So it was when I see some man and yet in way even they talk, man will know the road better pass couple.
For grab now from Konjok, come go for Bafang. For here them because say rope. When I see all the water, now it did that so it the worker for corner road. When I see how the water the worker. When I say for Siam. And now we go manage do na how if we is sick. We go manage do na how before we reach for Bafang. Now even with the social bad government. Now more than 4 years this where them never walk the road. And where we were with the suffer, where we were with it for here, people them they plant cocoa, them they do thing, all chop, where they come up for here, for go for Bafang Konjok. We go manage do na ha. Now you with the bad government say, we not try for Mimbawi. Seb lie, we not get them. Seb road too.
Yes, now that man that he talk una de siam, we will come out inside Boyana, so we will come out for Littoral, Southwest day na that so for corner, but before we want enter for day, we will take road accident. The one so will be happen na that side for Bafia. Let me say we see Bafia day on for Central Region for Cameroon. Motorway come out inside that side for Yaoundé, inside Bafia. They go do na by forced marriage, 2 big bingo them. They can't kiss one. If only we been a kissing, enough for being our problem. But some say people they get big cut for day. When I could see how they try for push motor where you don't dey on top person, the whole person, it last part full, it whole arm, they try for push arm, better not day. One of the with that show with that other one where they try for make and say we push arm, oh we don't talk to no comment, so that make people they see how they try for push that one. Yes, another one that where they try for push them because with how the motor they be going to do by force, so they eye on them, they come now so they block people the way they on top motor, they try for J cam so person they under the cry say what una let me I one die and I die, they try for J cam motor kale on top say what inoko come out, they try so sute the one J cam move that person, if food deny say inoko follow the person. Now you want food remain inside the it come on now one side food go with them. Only if you come away food be don't cut all remain inside motor. Plenty other people they begin a big cut. They take someone they enter Bafia, take some other one and go with them for Yaoundé. Myself so man it not be dying or die for this accident for yesterday inside Bafia for Central Region. But they talk say what now the road how when I see I'm so they say them quit them poor for day where be the slice plenty where a motor it go do by force married. Now so may we enter now for inside Boya Madam Wafo as how at the sea time so you could say make a begin the rush you small you could choose me for that one.
Widows in the
Southwest. Yes, when I see I'm so now widows then that for inside Boya. That means say what for that side for Southwest region for country. Now them that how they rush down for corner big commander big calling way now who them call them way now Madam Mpala Ara better them way now he be the subdivisional delegate for women empowerment and the family for that side for Boya for Southwest and other people them where they don't they work in collaboration with them like people they like Quinta Ayochi them and when people the way they did their own now for that is out of the government world for other structure the way they put them say what may they empower people. The one can she down the year Madam the delegate they tell them say what say governor for Cameroon it don't they put plenty big law the way they protect them so may they get hope may they not think say their own it don't finish their own it don't end for the war how their master they don't die because say what if you know say they so your master don't die try forget yourself empowered for know your right so that make people they not cast seize all your thing seize your house seize your picking them make you they say you not being a human being so for the country say what when you not get information you don't know your right any man could just kick you how we like them or they bring the one way when I Madam the subdivisional delegate for women's empowerment how we if you don't talk for the mami them where they gather for Boya it be na Madam Pala Ara better way be the talk for the woman them for inside Boya and so mami too we begin the talk experience how we don't they suffer inside the Palava widowhood for that side for Boya we go bring them for 1 o'clock now so make we go enter now talk small thing for Kumba because if for come out Boya enter for Kumba enough far so manangwa for Boya and Kumba na one thing mo see Palava for academic year that means say school year it don't the end for Kumba sabi say weti inside northwest and southwest they go school without uniform but self so some people dem have kumba dey hot so some people dey be gather courage too dey go school so tey e go finish. The one so na for cast kumba, that means say wetin una sabi cast kumba for inside the town for kumba, city for kumba well pikin dey gather for day no be only for cast kumba wey we dey say this school year don the end, e be dey too for other places dey whether na private school wey na public school dem na government school dem inside kumba dey talk say wetin why dey ask how dey jolly say wetin because e no be easy palava school inside northwest and south una sabi with all the thing wey don dey happen but sef so teacher dey talk say wetin for say make pikin dey learn. It will be in trouble.
We talk to the parents and they send them back, but they will send them with a lot of fear. But we encourage them like teachers. We give them hearts. When they begin, they become. We come for class work participation. They begin to not be nothing. Begin nothing identity.
Yes, we don dey 1 year thing wey that woman be talk. Sawe the woman talk, so other man pikin dey still talk. Una sabi say inside northwest and southwest now, some people dey wey dey no get hard for talk, even for palava. Some kind palava dey because they dey fear say e dey so man fit comot wey dey talk so e dey vex some man. Na why that way that man maybe dey talk so una no dey see e face fine as how we e choose am so. But how we una 1 year na only thing we don talk. Madam, we fit get that talk or we go leave am go for other matter.
27th. Few minutes later, element.
All right, we don't yes we say Tori don finish. E don dey ball na ball. So e dey so we go do na palava marathon race now. So take some just small newspaper them. Yes, but na the pikin wey before one take newspaper we sabi say wetin money too fine. But the palava for pikin wey we get for talk because human life be most important. That means say the pikin when I see am so na pikin for Mr. Bakida. Yes, Madam Mr. Bava Bakida wey dey look e pikin wey na Gayaha Jodone. That means say wetin the pikin e don comot for their house. E go they no sabi say where the pikin go when I see the young pikin so na e dey for picture. So if you don see the young man so you call the family where they look the pikin because they don dey look kissings. They don't know say where don comot go. Man never self call them say this so they don't see the pikin for some side. But if you where you been a good man with good heart you don't see the pikin abeg call the number for family. Number na 673-193-719 na the last number dey that. Or you call other number wey na 665-229-936. Family go thank you plenty. They go give you some small thing, but na God he get plenty blessing for give you. Madam, we fit look some small newspaper there just before I come on inside Tori. Sabi say wetin even how I be come for cash don for Tori Maniche. I be look thing them fine. Yes, now the Horizon newspaper I say wetin Anglophone them. They be frustrated for that side for CRTV. That means say that frustration it don't reach on top 3. Why Anglophone them for CRTV they dey frustrated? Now the Horizon newspaper get for tell you that one. We look another newspaper how we time not day. The next newspaper we will get time now the Guardian Post. What is the Guardian Post they talk? Madam Wafo, we not see the Guardian Post. Guardian Post to talk the same thing. He say Anglophone them for CRTV that had the boy plenty. Anger they them for heart plenty. Why it dey for their heart plenty? You go look the paper enough, you go see them. If you talk palava way, Northwest CPTM, big wigs them, Ellis them, they don't gather for Achidi Achui compound. Sabi say we been our first Anglophone Prime Minister for inside the country. You too, he been a one-time senator, big elite inside the West, and he don't die. Our body still remain. They don't still gather for a compound for talk say wetin. If we been a man wey be make politics a simple way, man fit understand inside country, and any man whether na mami na pikin or papa fit understand. If we go leave the other newspaper and so because we get plenty other newspaper but it is so that's so the Nagma Butox na Satan no dey country people we go leave una sure we will come back with the newspaper then tomorrow I will be in a couple of shidon for una country my chair for sika say wetin no dey around me I no fit leave una with it to so una shidon fine una stay with Equinox.